Did you throw that in the toilet? No, no. Really? You just gonna lay there by the toilet? Did your whole world end? You can't throw stuff in the toilet like that. That's a no-no. You gonna think about it down there? Is that a no? No, no. Bye-bye, Baby Strand. Baby Strand.
Why is he crying?
His whole world ended because he threw that thing in the block or in the toilet.
Block in the toilet.
Block.
A block. One of the yellow wood blocks.
Oh.
Mom told him no.
Bye, Baby Strand.